Hi, it's Kaitlyn from Kaitlyn J Osteopathy. I'm going to go through some gentle core exercises that you can do at home that will help you to build some core strength. To start off with your core series, you may want to grab a rolled up towel or a cushion, and we're going to place that under our head just to help with the engagement through our core. We're going to come to lie down on our back, placing that rolled up towel or pillow just gently underneath your head and lifting your knees gently up towards the ceiling. That pillow is going to help pull your lower ribs down towards your hips so that we've got that engagement. Can you see if I take that pillow out, you've got that flaring of your rib cage opening up. So we want to place that towel or pillow underneath our head and then feel our lower ribs pull down towards our hips to engage through our belly. We're bringing our hands down by our side, stabilizing through our core, feeling like everything's pulling in. Then we're going to straighten that right leg down along the mat and bend it all the way back in. Straighten the opposite leg all the way down, nice and slow and controlled, making sure we're keeping that belly engaged, still feeling those lower ribs pull down towards your hips. Going to alternate side to side and come back in. If you feel like it's too much going the whole way down, you can just move your leg about halfway and then come back in. Good work. So what you want to do is about 10 of those to each side. And then once you've done that, you can move on to the next exercise. The next exercise we're going to do is bringing one leg up to tabletop. So we want to still feel that engagement through our belly, pulling those lower ribs down towards your hips and squeezing that belly down in towards your spine. We're going to lift one leg up to tabletop, so that nice 90-degree bend of your leg, and then lower that leg down, lifting up through the other side, keeping that core steady as we're lifting and lowering. We want to control the movement in both directions, so don't just let that leg fall down towards the mat, controlling it each way. Keeping those lower ribs pulling down towards your hips throughout the whole movement and taking any breaks that you need. Similar to last exercise, we want to do about 10 to each side, but making sure we keep that belly engaged the whole time and stopping if we start to feel too tired. We're going to keep the belly engaged and both hips on the mat as we roll one knee out towards the side and then back in up towards the ceiling. Opposite leg out to the side and back through center. Making sure you're not getting any rocking from your hips from side to side. So just moving that leg out as far as you can control without feeling those hips lift off the mat. Again, do about 10 to each side and see how you go with that.